Amidst the ongoing special intensive revision process in West Bengal, a sensational discovery has caused a major political uproar. Thousands of Aadhaar cards were found dumped near a pond in Lalitpur under the Pila Panchayat of Purbatsthali, block number 2. Police were informed and promptly seized the cards, beginning verification to determine whether they were genuine or fake Aadhaar cards. The recovery has sparked political tension. BJP leader Debabrata Mandal described the incident as mysterious, saying that the discovery of Aadhaar cards just as the SIR form distribution had begun raises many questions. Ayesha Rani, the district magistrate of East Burdwan, clarified that the matter is under investigation and unrelated to the SIR process. Local TMC MLA Tapan Chatterjee suggested that the cards may be old or duplicate ones discarded years ago. Police have launched a detailed probe, meanwhile, to trace how the thousands of identity cards ended up near the pond and who was responsible.
এখন আর আধার কার্ড ডুপ্লিকেট হয় না, এগুলো সব ডুপ্লিকেট কার্ড আমার মনে হচ্ছে। তাছাড়া ফেলবে কেন? আমার আধার কার্ড যদি অরিজিনাল থাকে তাহলে আমি ফেলবো কেন? আমার মনে হচ্ছে ডুপ্লিকেট কার্ড।
মানে এগুলো অবৈধ
আমি তো তা আবার কি, অনেক দূর থেকে আমি এলাম।